Ooh, no, don't touch. Hello, Dave here with emergencyprepguy.com. I appreciate you stopping by. I'm out here in my backyard with my little grandson, and we're checking on the rabbits, and I just thought I would take you along with me. About a week and a half ago or so, I got the last of the rabbits processed. That's actually about 2 weeks ago. Got the last of the rabbits processed. There were a total of 18, and we've got now just the mamas raising little babies again. So anyway, let's go take a look. Come here, Landon. You want to come with me Should we let the chickens out? Do you like the chickens? Yeah. There's a step block where they pooped on it. Yeah. Here, let's let the chickens out. Should we let them out? Okay, come over here. I don't want you to walk in there. Over here. Let's let the chickens out. Oops, stay here. Yeah. Yeah. Okay. He likes to play in the chicken run, and if there's a fresh pile in there, he tends to find it. Okay, so one thing I want to show you really quick with the quail that's kind of nice about quail is, I don't know if you can see, but there's a young one in there with the big ones. Looks like there's a couple of young ones over there too. One of them jumped in the feeder. I'm gonna have to be cleaning the feeder out while they're that little. But anyway, one nice thing about quail is when they're old enough to be outside on their own, like 3 weeks, or in the summer, maybe even 2 weeks old, but these ones are probably 3.5 weeks old. Anyway, you can put them right in with the adults. It's funny too to watch them because the adults are scared of them when you first put them in. They don't pick on them, and so if they were adults, they would pick on them. But since they're babies, they don't. Okay, here's my little buck. Hey, Landon, do you like looking at the rabbits? Do you like looking at the rabbits? Anyway, this little buck, hey buddy. He's just kind of hanging out there. He's just kind of happy to be here. Normally when I come walking up here, runs up to the edge of the cage hoping that I got a treat for him. Okay, here's my little New Zealand doe. She's a super sweet little mama. Hi, sweetheart. Hi. Let's look at your babies. She has 6 babies. And if you see them, they're all in there. Come here, little guys. Oops, here's one. Here's what they look like. They're about a week old. Hi. Do you want to see them? See the little rabbit? The little babies? Yeah. Aren't they cute? You want to pet it? Come on, you can pet it. Yeah, here, pet it. He likes them when they get a little bit older, where they actually look like rabbits. Then he pets them. You want to pet him? You want to pet him this time? Yeah, you can pet him. Want to pet him? No? Okay. We'll just let him go. You make sure there's nobody in there that's doing bad. Yeah, there's all 6 of them. Okay. Oops, excuse me, mama. There we go. Put them back over there in the corner. So anyway, she's a good mama. That's her 3rd litter for me. I think she had 1 litter before I bought her. Now this little girl is normally really beautiful, but between the shedding and the babies marking up her fur, her last babies, I probably left them in with her a little bit too long. Just because they were crawling all over her and kind of messed up her fur. But Anyway, she's got 8 babies in here. Come here, little. Here's 8 babies. Do you want to see these babies? You want to see them? You can pet them. Yeah, it's okay. They don't hurt. You can pet them. Just go like that. Just be real nice. Don't pet them? No. He likes them when they get a little bigger, like I said. So we got... Yeah, there's 8 of them in there. So let's put these guys back. Hey, little girl. She's a super good little mama, too. As if you've watched any of my videos, you know that. She's very attentive. She's the most attentive mom that I've ever seen. However, this little doe here, this is out of the first litter that I had from this New Zealand doe here. This is the mother of this doe here. My buck is not this doe's father, though. When I bought the New Zealand, she was already pregnant with bred by another New Zealand. So anyway, since this New Zealand's babies get to wait a week or 2 faster than this little girl's babies, mainly probably because she's bigger than the little standard or the standard Rex. I'm gonna keep this little girl as a doe, and once she's not old enough to breed yet, but once this little doe's babies get old enough to wean, then I'm gonna see if I can sell her, because she's still young, got a lot of... This is only her second litter, so she'll be a good doe for somebody that wants her. But I just don't have the room to keep 3 does. So, ooh, Landon, you shouldn't be sitting down, buddy. Let's get you up. Let's get you up. Come on. You don't want to sit down. That would not be good, bud. Yeah. Oh, you dropped your binky. I guess you don't get a suck on that binky till I clean it. Okay, well, should we go? Let's go look at the garden, Landon. You want to go look at the garden? Come on. Okay, so we're gonna go over here and let's go this way, buddy. So anyway, garden's going really good. I won't do a real complete tour. You can see back there at the end, I've got the tomatoes all tied up. That's what these T-frames are for, is for growing things vertically. I've also got some of the squash plants. I've got to tie up the other squash plants. And these pole beans here, I've got one of them growing up one. I've got to figure out those things you're supposed to be able to tie up and they'll grow up the thing too. I just haven't figured out how to do that yet. That's the one area in the Mittleiter book that they don't give a lot of explanation, so I'm gonna have to research it a little bit and figure out how to do that. But anyway, you can see the garden is bountiful. And we'll look really quick in here in the greenhouse. You can see my tomato plants are huge in there. I'm gonna have to, they're about as tall as I can let them grow. I'm gonna have to start trimming off the top so they don't get any taller. But we've had a bunch of strawberries and peppers, and the beets are looking good. So yeah. So you ready to go in the house, buddy? Yeah. Yeah, should we go in the house? He's showing me something. I can't tell what he's showing me. You want to go in the house? Maybe that's what you're saying. Okay, let's go in the house. He normally loves to be outside. He's going to be an outdoors person. To get him to go in the house can be a challenge. But he wants to go in the house. Okay, we'll go in the house. That's what he wanted. He was hungry, weren't you, Landon? Yeah, he's got a smoothie and some eggs and hash browns. He wanted to come in and eat. Okay, well, I hope that was interesting. I appreciate you watching the video all the way to the end. Thanks so much, and we'll talk to you in the next video.